Meaning of hydrolysis.
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 Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a chemical reaction in which water is used to break down a compound. The process involves the splitting of a chemical bond by the addition of water, resulting in the formation of two or more new compounds. This reaction can occur naturally or be induced by specific catalysts. The results of hydrolysis can vary depending on the specific compound being broken down. In some cases, the products of hydrolysis may be relatively harmless and even useful. However, in other cases, the result can be significant degradation or even destruction of the original substance. Hydrolysis reactions are important in many biological processes and also play a role in industrial chemistry and environmental science.